In this video, we're going to talk about the FAR AIM. This is technically two books. One section is the Federal Aviation Regulations, and the second part is the Aeronautical Information Manual. The FAR is obviously dedicated toward regulations. Then the AIM is more geared toward air traffic control procedures and basic flight information. Now, you don't have to memorize this entire brick of intimidating information, but you do need to know how to find the info and how to use this book to your advantage. I'm going to point out a few key sections of the book to take note of. Then I'll talk about why tabbing is important. And then at the end, I'll give you a quick tip on how to keep your examiner in the room and not walking out on you when it comes time for your oral exam. The year of the book is stamped right on the front, so make sure you have the most recent information at your fingertips. A few pages in, you'll see these two dates when the information was current. You can also use these dates to kind of have an idea of when the new book should be printing the following year. Fast forward a little bit, and one section I like is the suggested study list. This narrows down information per pilot depending on what certificate you're trying to go for. When you're getting ready to put tabs in your FAR AIM, start with the table of contents. It's going to highlight Part 43 Maintenance, Part 61 Certification, Part 91 General Operating and Flight Rules. This is a good starting point for your tabs. I like to put the tabs in manually because it's specific to me and what I'm studying. Makes you a little more familiar with the book, and it gives you an easy reference. Making note of where the page is for the SFAR 73 is a great advantage. Maybe use a different colored tab so you can quickly find that one. If you're flying Robinson helicopter, you're going to be referencing this frequently. I made a different colored tab for the AIM so you can find it quickly and easy. Be sure to check out Chapter 10 that's specific to helicopter operations. That's a very quick overview of the FAR AIM. Your CFI is going to be a little more in-depth than what you just watched. You can buy the book already tabbed. However, I'd strongly recommend doing it yourself so you're not cutting corners. It's going to force you to familiarize yourself with the book and where the information is located. My pro tip for you, as you meet with the examiner for the oral exam, make sure you didn't do what I do and have an old book. As soon as he sees that and the date's not correct, he might just walk out on you like he did to me. Make sure you have the most current FAR AIM there is available at your fingertips on your desk ready to go for your exam.